where nature seamlessly flows into the oldest pages of living history. A unique companionship tells a story of coexistence that began thousands of years ago in the Iraqi Marshes. A land that witnessed the dawn of a human civilization still posing with raw untouched life. The water buffalo on the marsh beds, eternal icons once carved by the Sumerians into their clay seals. During changing times, it remained the ultimate guardian of these enchanting aquatic labyrinths. Waterways on the pristine wall that takes you on a journey completely outside the boundaries of the time. The Mesopotamian Marshes, a living open-air museum capturing the depth of history and the pure beauty of creation.